Okay, now this is the second part about the machine operation. Here, the touch head controller. When the machine is running, when it's cutting material, we shall set here to auto. And this is a touch up and down test. Let us see. It can control the touch up and down. X-striker test. And position. IHS height is a height setting and a sensitivity setting, and a set arc voltage. How to cut a file from your disk in the machine. First, input the U disk into the controller, and then choose File. Enter. Preview. Now this shows the file we selected. Then we shall choose the start point. Enter. Yeah. To not select this preview. And then we can choose the start point. We can choose to start from here. And then start. Okay, finish cutting. This machine also has a finger dictionary. We can choose here. There are so many fingers here. We can select one. And change some setting here. Preview. Yeah. Okay. This is the second part. To cut a file from the U disk and choose a finger dictionary.